Hello, this is my second video that I'll be posting the day after recording. This person's being very generous for this series, but I will have to trade all of... Okay, it certainly seems like this video was a fail. Progress. Stingray was not traded for anything. Once again, if you guys would like to... I did not know the school was right there. If you guys want to help with the series, just give me a call in the comment section. Give me your username. We will join my private server and adopt me. And then we can make a deal. And yes, I will make it seem like you're just giving me drugs. Literally, the first thing I'll say to you is, you got the stuff, or you got the thing. Just as like a little joke. I'm just gonna walk away from this person. So yeah, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell. And no one cares if you want to go camping. No, you're just gonna get traded for something better. And then something better. All the way to a frost dragon. Okay, well then go to sleep. Please. Please. That would mean the world to me. Wait. So, if you guys would like to help with the series, like, subscribe, hit the little bell that lets you know when I upload. Also, just send me a little message in the comments telling me your Roblox username. Once I get that username darted down, boom, you can friend me, and then after you friend me, let's make that little deal for the stingray. You know, the stingray I don't really care about. Darn it. Wow, that's some good advice. Like, I'm not really gonna lie, that's some very, very good advice. I think everyone that sees this advice should follow. Including you guys. Don't think you're off the hook. Yeah. I will see you guys in 2 days.